Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to self-host N8N, which is a powerful AI agent building platform, on Hostinger. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can sign up and you can get a special sale for a limited time. They usually offer these special deals. That also includes 2 extra months and a free domain. But in our particular case, we want to self-host N8N. So I'm just going to come up here and click in the top navigation bar, and we can scroll down to look at the different pricing tiers. So the first one is KVM1. That's $5 a month. That includes 1 vCPU core, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 50 gigabytes of NVMe disk space, and 4 terabytes of bandwidth. Their most popular package is $6.50 a month, which is still quite a bit more affordable than the official cloud hosting service over here on N8N's official website. That's about 24 pounds per month, so just over $30 USD. They also include a free trial as well, which I believe lasts for 2 weeks. So that's also an option, but in my case, I just want to self-host it through Hostinger. So in this case, I'm just going to choose the most popular package. I'm going to select Choose Plan. In this case, I'm actually just going to choose 1 month because I want to test it out. And you also have the option to do daily auto backup. That's recommended, but it's not necessarily beneficial in this case. We can also come down to the server location here. I'm going to select Malaysia because it has the best latency. I'm based here in Thailand, so Malaysia is the closest country to me. That has a 49 millisecond latency, which is really good. And then for the operating system here, I'm just going to select N8N. There's also an N8N Q mode here as well, and Docker, and you can get N8N with 100 workflows here as well, which could be interesting. If I select that, it's also going to be only $9 per month. So just going to do that. As you can see, there's a lot of other options here as well. They've got Olama, MCP servers that you can host through Hostinger, lots of different tools here. But in my case, I'm just going to do N8N plus 100 done for you workflows, and then hit continue. Now I'm just going to sign in with my Gmail account real quick. I just have to enter my payment information here. So I'm going to do this off screen. I'm going to use PayPal checkout. Need the verification code, of course, as usual. Okay, great. So the payment is done. I was charged $10.69. And in order to get started, I'm just going to click on Get Started here, and it will drop me into my H panel, dashboard essentially. And now I have my own virtual private server on here. It's just asking me to create a root password. There we go. So now we've chosen the password, root password, and I'm going to select Next. You also have the option to enable a malware scanner to keep your VPS safe by blocking malicious files, suspicious activity, and potential threats. That's completely free, so obviously I'm going to leave that checked on, and then we'll finish the setup. So now this is just going to take up to about 5 minutes to finish setting up and configuring the VPS. And it looks like it's being hosted on Ubuntu 24.04. I'm actually on Debian over here, as you can see. Debian Linux 13, and I've tried to set this up and locally self-host it on my own machine multiple times using various platforms like Coolify and Docker, but it's just a little bit more complicated than it needs to be with setting up the custom domain. I've never quite figured it out, so it's just much easier to use a service like Hostinger. I'm going to make some coffee while this is running. And here we go. So now we've got our own instance of N8N running on Hostinger, and we've got root N8N1 and then this one as well. So in order to get started, I can actually just open up a terminal here, and this is actually the terminal that is running on Ubuntu, which is kind of cool. You can see welcome to Ubuntu 24.04. There it is. It's running on Ubuntu. And if I want to manage the app, I can open it up here. Okay. So in order to get started, all you have to do is click on Manage App, and it will open N8N right here. This is running on Hostinger. So I'm going to enter my login credentials here to create a new account, And I don't really want to receive security and product updates in my email, so I'm just going to click on next. And that will create the account. And now I can customize N8N. So just need to answer some basic onboarding questions here. In this particular case, I am a marketing agency consultancy, the business owner. It's mostly going to be for myself, a lot of the automations I'm building. Less than 20 people in my company. It's just me. I'm a solo entrepreneur. And how did I hear about it? I'm just going to put YouTube. And then we can click on Get Started. And we can also get the free license key as well to upgrade to the paid features for free forever. You can see I already have a lot of workflows which came bundled with the package that I bought through Hostinger. It came with about 100 workflows. So in order to preview one of these, all I have to do is click on it. And there it is. So now we've got this beautiful workflow here. And it's just a matter of, at this point, connecting up the various APIs. So I need the credentials for WhatsApp in this case, and a couple other things in here, and then I can customize these templates. You can also browse the templates on N8N's official website. They've got over 6,400 workflow automation templates over here. And if I want to, let's say, deploy one of these or get it into my own N8N, all we have to do is import it. So we can import the template to my server, which is running on Hostinger, the self-hosted instance, and it will drop it directly into my N8N server over here. And then this step, we can connect this up later. I'm just going to click on skip, and boom, it is now in my N8N. If I want to click on save up here, I could just save that. And now it's pretty much just a matter of connecting up and adding the credentials for the various APIs that are built into each of the templates. So yeah, really look forward to putting this to good use, and stay tuned for upcoming tutorials. I will be making tutorials showing how to build out AI agents and automations within N8N. With that being said, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments section below. Feel free to join my large growing Skool community. We've got a lot of resources in here inside the classroom, how-to guides, step-by-step tutorials, automation courses, and then also a lot of templates as well, including 2,000 plus N8N automation templates over here, which are available on GitHub. And I include a lot of other templates in here too. So feel free to check out the community. It's completely free to join. Link in the description below. And with that being said, thanks for watching. Signing off.